Time is ticking. Tax day, only a couple months away, right? We are taking action to help you make the most of your money. The deductions that you may be missing, that's coming up.
Some new tax forms are on the way to more than 500,000 Arizonans. Yeah, the State Department of Revenue is saying the correct 1099-G forms are going to be mailed out by Monday. A data error led to the wrong refund information being given to taxpayers. Officials saying some new safeguards are now in place to make sure these mistakes are not going to happen again. And speaking of tax season, No Hay is live now with Bob, our friend Bob. Hey, tell him hey out there for me. He's giving us some tips today, huh?
Yeah, he definitely is, because of course we want to take action, make sure that you make the most of your money. Bob Hockensmith is with us, and certified public accountant. We want people to, get the most out of their refunds, but people leave a lot of things out sometimes they don't even know about. What are some of the big ones that people forget all the time?
Some of the great big ones are their work expenses. Each occupation has their own tools of art that they have to purchase. Like in your profession, you have makeup and hair and so forth, and that's a tax deduction that you get to take on your return, and a lot of people don't realize that.
Now, I just did something that I didn't realize either. I just had to renew my tags for my car.
Yep.
I had no idea.
License plates are always a deduction. Your motorcycle tags, your car tags, your truck tags, your horse trailer tags, your boat tags, they're all deductible. Even sales tax, when you buy a vehicle, that too is deductible. So people like to forget that sometimes.
And if we were to tie in the car with work, gas?
Right, or mileage. Not the gas so much, but the mileage. Last year it was 54 cents per mile you could deduct. This year in 2017 it's 53.5 cents per mile.
Okay.
It's a huge deduction that a lot of people don't know about, and they tend to forget it.
Now here's something that we talk a lot about on the news. We have a lot of these stories, thefts, burglaries. People are victims of property crimes. It happens a lot. You can get money back on your taxes. Right.
We had the Bernie Madoff theft back in 2008. There were thousands, hundreds of thousands of people that were affected by that. That was a tax deduction. The money they lost was a tax deduction on their tax return for 2008.
See, people don't even realize. They think that they're just a straight victim. They're out all their stuff. Maybe if you've got insurance, you'll recoup some of that, and they didn't even know they can.
The amount that the insurance did not reimburse is a tax deduction, and it's quite a big number for a lot of people.
Now, let's talk a little bit about, if you want to claim all of these things, how big are receipts?
Oh yeah, huge. Receipts are absolutely huge, and that's the big problem a lot of taxpayers have, is they don't either keep them, they don't want to keep them, but today with the electronic age, you can scan a receipt and keep it forever. So you don't have to put it in a bag and hope you don't forget it. Just scan it, and put it in a Dropbox type of a cloud, file, and you're good to go. So
since it's about that tax filing time, first step that you can give people this morning, the best piece of advice to get them moving to make the most of their money?
First thing they should do is, they're going to have a tax preparer do it. And by the way, we suggest a professional tax preparer. We always say that taxes and law are not do-it-yourself projects.
No kidding.
Go get an appointment as soon as possible, because the longer you wait, the harder it is to get in professional. These professionals usually will find more deductions and get you back more refund than they're going to charge you.
Makes it so worth your money. All right. Bob, thanks so much for joining us this morning and saving everybody some cash, Allison. That's what we like to hear.